This is Pittosporum Marjorie Channon, or Pittosporum variegata. It is a shrub that I use a lot in residential applications because it stays compact. As you can see, this is a 6-year-old plant. It's about 5 to 6 feet wide and about 9 feet tall. Now, I'd like this to stay closer to 5.5 to 6 feet, so what I'm going to do is prune it down, still keep it fairly natural looking, but I want to show you how to do that without shaping the plant and still let it look like it naturally occurs at more like 5 feet wide by 6 feet high. One of the ways we do this is to make the cuts, which I'll show you in detail, below the general foliage level so that there are no exposed cuts to the eye. One of the other reasons we do this is because when you cut, usually the branch divides right below the cut and then 3 or 4 new stems come out of that spot. So if you'd like the foliage to end up at this level, you really want to cut anywhere from 6 to 18 inches below where you want the foliage to finish up. So by doing that, 2 things happen. You cut lower so the cut point is not visible to the eye, but also you don't end up with a big bunch of new stems coming out higher than where you want them to occur. As you can see, I've dropped down the size on the height and the width of this plant. It's got a little more open feeling to it. That will fill in as spring comes on and the new foliage starts to fill in. But until then, I've got more of a natural shape. It's a little tidier than before I started. And this is generally how I like this plant to look in the scope of how I design this space.